Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Generating PDFs in Java can be accomplished using several libraries, but one of the most popular and widely used libraries is itext. Itext allows you to create and manipulate PDF documents easily. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of generating a PDF document using the itext library. ### prerequisites. 1. Basic knowledge of Java programming. 2. Java Development Kit, JDK, installed on your machine. 3. An IDE like intellij IDEA, Eclipse, or any text editor. ### setting up. 1. Download itext library *. You can download the itext library from the Maven repository or include it in your project using Maven or Gradle. If you are using Maven, add the following dependency to your pom.xml. For Gradle, add this to your build.gradle dependencies. 2. Create a new Java project *. Set up a new Java project in your IDE. ### sample code to generate PDF. Below is a simple example of how to create a PDF document using the itext library. ### explanation of the code. 1. Imports. We import necessary classes from the itext library. 2. Destination path. Configure the destination where the PDF will be created. 3. PDF writer. This class is responsible for writing the PDF content to the file. 4. PDF document, represents the PDF document itself. 5. Document, a high-level representation of the document that we can add content to. 6. Paragraph and text, used to create and format text content in the PDF. In this example, we create a paragraph containing a styled text. 7. Closing the document. It's essential to close the document to ensure all content is written and resources are released. ### running the example. 1. Make sure you have added the itext library to your project. 2. Copy the code into a Java file, example PDF generation example.java. 3. Compile and run the program. 4. After running, you should find a file named example.pdf in your project directory. ### conclusion. You have successfully created a simple PDF document using Java and the itext library. From here, you can explore more features of itext, such as adding images, tables, and more complex layouts to your PDFs. The itext documentation is a great resource for exploring advanced functionalities. ### additional resources. Itext documentation, https://itextpdf.com/n/resources/books/itext-7. Maven repository for itext, https://mvn-repository.com/artifact/com.itextpdf/itext7-core. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.